their jaws so they can open their mouth wider than their mouth is. Imagine eating like a whole cantaloupe.
That was the board walk we were on yesterday. Turn around.
And once a week feed.
We feed them once a week. Animals that don't produce body
Back up a little bit, buddy.
don't need to be fed as often because they're not using as much energy. Like we're using a lot of energy right now
Yeah,
just
it's
to keep
really
our
hard
lights
for me to
on.
do.
Generally speaking, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
You see it, Landon? Look, it's over here. Wow.
Look, you're so distracted. Nothing's
Now look
happening.
at the strong muscles.
Look, over here.
Gonna
Now what kind of thing is
move
this?
This is
that
a common
mouth
garden
down
snake.
his
Oh.
body.
Typically, these are very docile, kind snakes. We just ended up with like a kind of cranky one.
Yeah.
You can't. Oh,
She's an
here.
uncommon common.
Here. Stand right there. Behind her. Watch. Can you see? Oh, can you see okay? Can you see okay? Yeah. Okay. You didn't even see it happen. You didn't even see it happen. She'll find them in just a second. And this one, I threw two in. He's eating one, and the second one's right there. He'll start eating that in a second. Alright, we borrowed your. Yeah. What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, look, Charlie.
Over here.
Can you see the food? Oh, that is a wild snake. But he's going to miss it when you drop it right on top of him. And that's okay.
Snapping turtle. Snapping turtle.
Who was the big one?
Big guy.
Oh, here. Just follow him.
Excuse me,
Go
buddy.
follow him. Go follow. I'm right behind. Go ahead, go follow.
Although he seems to have made friends with the goldfish because that goldfish has been in there forever. He's not particularly good at finding things. Yeah. He does. Well, he's got a big mouth and these animals right there are that big for him. Alright, let's see what else.
Oh, it is a mouse.
So, see, he was so busy watching this, but he'll find it eventually. But he also eats the fish. So he gets mice and he gets fish. Yum.
Great person.
I tell you what.
Lovely.